Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you are signed into the correct Google account. This ties the credit to that account. Next, locate your 16-character code from the gift card or email and inspect it for smudges or common misreads like O versus 0. Open the Play Store app or visit Play. Google.com/redeem to begin. Once done, make sure your device has a stable internet connection and the Play Store is up to date before entering the code. You now enter the code into the redeem field, type slowly and double-check characters, or paste from your email to reduce mistakes. After submitting, Google will verify the code. This can take a few seconds. If it accepts, the credit shows in your account balance or as a payment option at checkout. Make sure to note which account received the funds. If you have multiple Google accounts, sign out and repeat on the correct one to avoid credit going to the wrong profile. Complete your purchase by selecting Google Play Balance at checkout. The amount applies automatically. If the code fails, first retry by copying and pasting carefully, then verify the card was activated at the retailer and that the code matches your region. Some codes are region locked. If problems persist, gather proof of purchase or the email containing the code and contact the retailer or Google support. One troubleshooting tip: try redeeming on the web and the Play app to isolate device issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.